Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go with the 2016 Bobcat S530. This is a vertical lift boom machine, real similar to the S570, except this one's a 49 horse machine. 1850 rated operated capacity. This machine has virtually no hours on it, very low hours. Looks like brand new. We got the Doosan Tier 4 engine, no particulate filter, no regeneration, no diesel exhaust fluid. Very low maintenance, easy to access that engine compartment, easy to do your maintenance. Cooling package is overhead. This is a cab heat, 1-speed machine. Look how new the tires are. Again, vertical lift boom, cab with heat, power quick attach. Got your auxiliary hydraulics right on the boom. You know, it's a very capable machine. We're looking at 17.1 gallons per minute, so plenty of power to move snow or a soil conditioner or whatever else you want to throw at it. Suspension seat standard controls, so we're going to run the feet to run the bucket and the loader arms, and then we've got the levers to steer it. Like new interior. It's a key start machine. Here's our power quick attach. Watch that move. Think how handy that is. When you put the bucket or switch to forks, you don't have to get out of the machine. Throttle is right here. Good quick response out of this machine. Just want to show that to you as well. Foot pedal all the way down, boom goes down, you didn't hear it clunk. Cushioned lift cylinders. So those lift cylinders, right before it makes contact with the stops the big clunk coming down. Cab heat, windshield wipers. Just a real nice clean machine. This machine will come with a 68-inch bucket. That'll be a used one. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this 2016 Bobcat S530. 49 horse turbo diesel. Weighs in at 6,480 pounds. Single speed, 7.4 miles per hour. 17.1 gallons per minute through the auxiliaries. It's got an 1850 rated operated capacity, so it's going to be real similar to like a 185 or a 175 Bobcat. 77 inches tall, 8 inches tall, 119 inches to the hinge pins. I'm talking a capable machine, fuel efficient, and it looks like brand new. Give us a call, Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, 715-781-3940. Jeff at Tri-State, 715-781-3940. Thank you.